radiant energy is all about the spark. So the example that I give is, let's look at a power point, for example. Electrical energy is what moves the energy and electricity to the power point, but without turning the power point on, there's no spark or fire for the energy to work. Yeah? So when we look at radiant energy, we can look at it as an element. We can connect it with fire. Yeah? So radiant energy is the fire within us. It's a spark. And if we've got too much spark in us, yeah, it means that we can actually burn out. So you know those people that are constantly going and going and going, and they burn out? It's because they've got too much spark. There's too much electrical energy and too much radiant energy happening in the body. They just go, 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 and they just burn out. Yeah? Who's experienced that before? Yeah. And when we look at the physical body, we're talking, the radiant energy, we're talking about the digestive system. So when there's imbalances with radiant energy in the body, what we do have is we have imbalances in terms of we have intolerances, or we'll have deficiencies of certain minerals, amino acids and things like that. It's because there's too much or not enough radiant energy in the body. So radiant energy is also connected to the brain. So healing that can support with the brain and support with radiant energy is two things. There's food, taste, and aromatherapy.